If tan theta equals √3, what angle gives that? Let's find out. First, find the reference angle. Inverse tan of √3 gives us 60 degrees. Now use the ASTC rule. Tan is positive in quadrant 1 and quadrant 3. Our domain is 0 to 180. 60 degrees fits, but 180 plus 60 is outside the range, so theta equals 60 degrees only. Common mistake. Students use 180 minus 60 for tan. That formula is for sine equations, not tan. Remember RAD. Reference angle. ASTC quadrants. Domain check. 3 steps every time. Subscribe to Ovasaabi for more lessons. Visit ovasaabi.com.